All right, I'm live. Wait a minute, I want to see the chat. So I grinded offline. Okay, I did some work online offline. So what I did is first I didn't go for JWT from the start. I first created an application which loads the user from the database first, and now I'm just gonna write the JWT utility and call the JWT token generation method right after the login is completed, and login is completed here. It is here. So whenever it is success, I will call. It's returning here, right? Load user by username. So I'm gonna adjust the JWT utility somewhere. Let's see where. Okay, can you see? Let me explain what I did. So first I created the security configurations. Here it says I applied a security filter chain. It filters the admin request for the API admin, which must have role admin. My home has has role has role user, and for this home page permit all. Then I temporarily used the form login to test my APIs. I'll show you. Then the logout. After that, this bcrypt password encoder, because when we are storing in database, it needed to be encoded. So I needed to use this password encoder. And this authentication manager, we are diverting the authentication manager to our custom authentication manager, so it uses our authentication methods. Okay, here are my database configuration. No need to make another class to make the configuration. You can do it here in properties. We are done with configuration. I created user and role entities. Not much to think of this. These two. These are application. Custom user data service. I will auto-wired the user repository. Loading the its implement user detail service uh, interface. So we have to override this method, and in this method we are finding a user using this username. If not found, then we will throw an exception. If found, we go here, return a new user. We get a user object to return user details object. Sorry, it comes from the security.core framework. Okay, now we checking username, we are getting password. I am keeping it true. This enable true, account not expired true, credentials not expired true, account not locked true, and user get role. This set of roles, and getting a stream, and mapping one role, getting a role name, and collect to set. Okay, this is all about custom user detail. Now home controller, it is simple. A REST control get mapping the home page which everyone can access, admin page which admin can access, my home page which the user can access, and logout page anyone can access. Okay, so let me show you what it does. And wait a minute, let me show you database too. Database, you see it? Yes. So you can see this. What mistake I was doing yesterday was not adding this role prefix. So when Hibernate, the data JP uses Hibernate at the background, so it searches for role underscore role name, for example role underscore admin. What I was doing is I stored only admin in the database, so it was not matching. So what we can do, we can either store role underscore role name in database itself, or when we are extracting it, then we can verify using the prefix role underscore. I chose to store it in the database as it. Okay, you know about it now. Now what we have to do is, what I have to do is make the JWT utility. I will refer my code from the other project to generate token. I don't want this controller. Wait, you can't see it. You can't see it. Wait a minute. Let me show. Let me show. Okay. Okay. See. So here in JWT utility, we have two methods. This secret key we have to generate. We will encrypt it using this secret key. Okay. Then method generate token will generate token on username. I will issue it date and expiration time with sign in key, this key. Okay, then return the token. I will call this method after our user is loaded from the database. So when it is loading from database, it is already checking the username and the password. It's already authenticating it. So we don't need to check the username and password again, like it's checking here. It's requesting parameters username and password and checking if it's equal. It's generating the token here. We don't need to do that, as we are loading from database. It's already checking the username and password. So we will generate token after the user is loaded into our system. And about this, the other method, validate token. So whenever the user is trying to access another API, we will check the generated token, and if the token is valid, then we will let the user access it. Well, yes, if the user is authenticated to access the API, like the normal user cannot access the admin page. Okay, so now we will just gonna copy these two methods in the other project, the project we are currently building. So what this validate token is doing, it's try JWTs parser verify with keys.smsmac key for secret get encoded, same key here. Okay, so we have a key here, right? We are using this key. We generated a token using this key on username. We are gonna check this using the same secret key and verify the keys.smash secret together, the verify keys and parse signed claims token that for signed JWT. Okay, yeah, I picked it up from JWT because the earlier methods were deprecated from this, so I needed to know what new methods I need to use. So I had to use ChatGPT here. JWTs parser dot verify with keys build pass correct method for sign in JWT. Okay, if this fails, it will raise an exception and return false. Okay, invalid JWT, right? So in security configuration here, it said CHP. Okay, so first thing we have to disable the CSRF when we are using the JWT. I didn't do it here. So first what I will do is I will test. Wait, you can't see it. Okay, I will test if I add HTTP CSRF disable here in my code. Here, will it still work? If it works, we don't have to. Okay, let me see where exactly I do have to do this. But CSRF disable authorize request. Okay, HTTP security dot srf let me just copy this line very carefully. I don't want the code to break. Okay, wait a minute, I don't want it to break. Okay, this works, this doesn't work. Wait a minute. CSRF disable, this parenthesis is closing of CSRF, after that authorize request. Okay, let me try this again. Will be okay, it works. It not throwing an error. Let it be. Now let me test the application. I will show you. Okay, let me open the local host. Oh wait, you can't see it, right? Wait a minute, let me open it, then I will show you. Okay, so here we are at the blank our home page. So if I go to admin, it's asking me. So as far as I remember, Kshitij and password, this is the admin. Okay, we can access the admin page. Now if I go here and try to access my home, which is the user page, you can see it says forbidden. That means he can't access the user page. Now let me log out. Okay, I've logged out. So now if I go to my home, it asks me for username. So I remember Peter and ABC. Okay, user page. And now if I try to access the admin page, you can see it's forbidden. So it's working. The CSRF code didn't interfere with the functionality. So let me stop it. Now we can continue with our JWT. So what I need to do is JWT. Okay, Okay, sorry, you can't see, I disabled it. Okay. So here, okay, wait a minute, JWT. Can you see it? I don't think so. Okay, let me do one thing. Now you can see it. Okay, so CSRF part we did, the filter is good. So we now need to create the JWT utility. We are not just gonna copy paste it, we are gonna write it, we're gonna write it down. Okay, so we need to do JWT utility. It is a component, secret key. Okay, fine. JWT utility, let me share it again. So in utility, there is no utility. JWT utility from name JWT utility camel case. Okay, so it is a component. Here we want a private key, private static final string secret str. So we'll write something long which needs a very long string. Okay, now private final secret key string. I know my keyboard is too loud, I'm sorry for that. Here what I need to do is, let me see, keys dot keys. Oh wait a minute, this need to be key. As far as I remember, Java security key, right? Key, and this key is dot hm keys. Oh wait a minute, I didn't add the dependencies for JWT. I'm sorry, I need to add dependencies. Wait a minute guys, just wait a minute. I will copy this from here only, the JWT. Okay, these three dependencies I need to copy. I know you can't see it, let me do it fast. I'm new to streaming, I don't know how to set up everything. Let them even build. Okay, it's finished I guess. The error is gone. Okay. Okay, so error is gone. Keys. No? Yes. Yes, ma'am. Secret key. Chain dot gigabytes. Okay. Am I at the center? Okay. Now need to create the method public string generate token. Public string, it will return a string generate token. It will generate token on username. Okay, so we'll generate a token. Why is not tab? Generate a token JWTS dot builder dot subject on username, and show that new date. It will take the system date dot expiration. You see, this function I was using earlier, it's deprecated, so I needed to look at ChatGPT. So it's called now expiration. So I will just get this. How much time is it? Okay, let it be. Now we have expired it. Expiration, we have set expiration. Now sign with secret key compact. Here we will return token. Simple. Okay. Yeah, we can do it. Okay. Thank you. Saving our variable space. Now we'll just make it Boolean. Validate token. It's gonna receive string token, and we are gonna try catch. Try JWTS dot parser. I need tab. Parser dot verify with keys dot hmac key secret key dot get encoded dot build dot parse claim JWT. It's deprecated. See, it's deprecated, so we need to do something else. Parse signed claims. Okay, this works. Token. Now return true, and the catch. There can be multiple exceptions, but let it be we're just gonna use the super class. Done. False. Why is it like this? Okay, so we have created our I have created the methods. Is someone watching the stream? Oh no, that's me. Never mind. Never mind. Okay, so I have created the methods. Java JWT utility. Configurations is good. Application, we don't need it. In the controller, do I need to call it in the controller? Let me see. Let us observe. I will enable the screen. Okay, let us observe what's happening here. JWT controller, when it's logging in, it's generating the token. Generating token when going here, generating token and returning it on the username and password. So we are doing this job using database. Username. Wait a minute, guys. Okay, I'm back. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. There was a call, and I don't have dual monitors, so I have to manage. Okay, let me see. I'm pretty sure I am audible. pretty sure. Hello. Okay, now it's working. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, where were I? Where were we? Not I. Where was I? Okay, we were analyzing this JWT code. So this part, the username and password part, it's where we are doing this with database. So we don't need to check this. We just need to, after the user is loaded, we need to generate this token. Generate token else invalid. Okay, we need to generate a token. After generate token, after the, if admin is accessing some other page, other API, then request header. Do we need to do this on every API? I guess yes. Request header. So for the generate token part, I'll generate the token here in the user detail service. So after this, I'm going to create here okay. Okay, the token is generated here. So where do we verify the token? I guess here in the controller we have to request for header and generate a token, right? I guess. After someone hits this API, it goes to the filter. It goes to filter. It filters it. It needs. Then it loads the user. It loads the user. It generates the token. After generating the token, so do we need to apply the this method, validate token method? Wait a minute. Okay, so the token is generated after hitting this API, and this API is already authenticated using the database. So do I need to apply the validate the JWT token here also? I don't think so. So let me do what? Or where is our filter? So I will do this. star star this star star. Okay, so and now I will create another method admin slash profile admin profile, P should be capital, profile admin profile, and here my home slash user profile, user profile, user profile. Okay, so now here I'm gonna create request header value is equal to authorization required false string authorization header. If now I have to if authorization header is not equal to null and authorization header dot starts with bearer string token is equal to authorization header dot substring 7. You know why? When we generate a token over the internet, it adds a prefix of bearer and a space, so we have to use the substring method till the 7th index. See 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, so we need to substring of 7 so we can extract the token. After extracting that token, what I need to do, if why is it I need the utility here too, JWT utility, we'll add AutoWire JWT utility dot validated token, we'll pass the token, and then return this. else return token invalid. Okay, why is this? Okay, I need to return something here. If else, we need to add else here. Else return auth header missing. Okay, so we need to write this code everywhere. Can we make a function for it so we can call it again and again? I guess no, we have to make this, then check it. No, we can't. We have to do this work, redundant work. I'm sure there is a better way. I don't know yet why I'm at the corner of the webcam, man. Okay, let me think if I can find a better way without searching on the internet. If I get 100 APIs of admin, we don't usually get 100 APIs, maybe 10 to 15. If I get this much APIs, and for each API I have to write this code, it's not feasible, it's not efficient. What can I do instead? But we have to, man, we have to check it. Like for each API the user is calling, we need to check the authorization, we need to check the header if the token is valid or not. We need to check it, right? If we not check it for each one, we are no, wait a minute. We want to check it, but we don't want to write the code each time. What can we do? We can make a method, but in this case I don't think that would be a great idea. What can I do? Call a method. Call a method. In filter, we are filtering based on roles. User having role of admin can access admin pages. User of having role of user can't access admin pages, can access only user pages. Everyone can access home and logout pages. It comes to the filter chain. It goes to filter. It generates token. After it finds it in the user in database. After loading it from the database, it generating the token. That's okay. Now we have to validate the token at each API. Let me ask ChatGPT, okay? Let me ask ChatGPT about this. Wait a minute, let me show you the screen. Okay, see when I am loading user from database, it's already checking the password, so I am generating the token right after user is loaded. Now, do I have to validate the token after when each API is called? Yes, every protected API must call validate the GWT but not by rechecking the password. Key confusion. Let me break it clear step by step. Sprinkle GWT terms. Login. Name password authentication matcher that is load by the name password encoded matches. So generated here return GWT to client. Check happens only here. It is applying a filter. I don't get it. No. What I was asking is for every API, do I need to write the code of validation inside the body of each API? Inside a security filter, not inside APIs. So I need to make this filter. This is new for me. Okay, so it's creating this, writing the code here, and in the security filter chain I didn't use this one. let it be. It's using this extra add filter before, runs before controllers. Okay, we can do this. It's simple, it's not very hard. This JWT filter, so this JWT authorization filter, we need to do this in what, configurations or service or utility? I guess utility. Okay, so I am creating, okay, so we already have a JWT utility. Public void do filter internal. What I need to do here is, let me see the code. Okay, wait, it doesn't work like this. We need to make a new class. We can do this here. Do filter before, no, JWT auth filter, it extends once for request filter, it implements do filter internal. Okay, filter chain. Okay, great. Now the code. Let me just copy it, you will understand it. We are smart enough. What is this? What is this? Let me see. So string auth header request get header authorization not equal to null. Okay, filter chain dot do filter request response. Token auth header, its substring string username. You want the username? If you want the username, how? Wait a minute. to make variables. Wait, what is this doing? User is already loaded, we don't need to do this. Token is valid. Why is it doing this? Wait a minute. Extra token valid token. Set security context. Code for your okay. Wait a minute. Really? This one? Just explain what is this to. Maybe I name them different. Okay, switch it out to utility. it. It's JWT utility. JWT utility. Okay. Now here where is the token? Now this one. Static. Let's see. Code for extract username. I'm gonna have it. Code. Oh no. Why is it extracting the username? Oh no. Oh. See, that is a people in the backend. Oh no, you are not seeing anything I was doing. Anything. No. Ah. Hmm. this is for limited. What is this doing? Auth filter. Auth filter not able to not starts with error. Return this substring. Why do I need username? Is validate. Why we are loading user again? Loading the user again. Takes conceptually. So who claims to be user? DB tells who the user actually is right now. Not to check the password, but Spring property authenticated object which contains. Will still exist. Spring needs user details. Okay. Proof authorization source. Okay. Okay. So here I cannot extract the username here. I need to. So let me ask him ChatGPT for the corrected code. Give corrected code for extract username. The other one uses deprecated methods. Yes, I need this minimal version. Okay. Okay. Get bytes. Here is my variables. Now tell me which is which, cause get bytes is not working on your secret key. Oh, you can't see it. No, I mean to say you are applying get bytes on secret key, but when I paste it, says key does not have get bytes. So I was asking that if I have to apply it on secret str. Okay, that's enough. Okay. So here secret str dot get bytes. Okay, it's working. Filter, it's working. Okay, now this is some error. Let me take the screenshot here. It needed context. Let me show you. Okay. Declare a field. I did already. So what I exactly need to do? Right, I didn't add the annotation. Component here. Oh my, user details service is equal to user details service. Code is same. Oh, I'm so stupid. Oh, oh, I'm not gonna give up. Oh, okay. Application. Okay, one way. Reverse errors. We need to scroll back. Okay, we need to scroll back. Let me show. Okay, okay, okay. Where were we before this filter thing? Okay, we were adding the field. We were every bit we need to. Okay, we were here to check whether we need to write the code for each API. Okay, so no. So here we did this filter to this code is good. Now we need to add this line. To add this line after authenticated. But it's not catching it. Uh, wait, you can't see it, right? You can't see it. Wait a minute. Add this to import the class. It's okay, but why is not catching it? maybe I need to make a local variable. Let's ask. Last attention. Right. I did. It's already there. Oh, right. No. Enable web security, enable method security. It's already there. Let me just provide it with my code. Okay, so this is what I was thinking, and yes, this is a writing mistake. That's okay. This thing. Okay, now it will work. Now it should work. So what we have done, we were here in the controller. Now I don't need to do this. So now do I need to change anything in my controller? Okay. Okay, so now I remember something that, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, how did I forget it, man? How did I forget it? Oh my god. You see this? Now that I've seen it, now I remember. See this? Pre-authorize. Uh, we can directly do this. Edit the role check on filter. If I add this, what will be benefit? Let's see. For already hard-coded role checks inside the GWT filter, clarity, sector, flexibility, not duplication. Don't do role checks in the filter. Pre-authorize. Meant for ticketed. How did I forget it? Yeah, how did I forget it? Oh, you can see it, right? Well, we are learning it the hard way. So I am personally gonna remember this now. See, from the past 3 days, we were not able to load the user from database. Now that I know that what I was missing from past 3 days, now I won't forget this my whole life. And now this, I forgot that we have something called pre-authorize. We can check roles directly there. We don't need to hard code it on the filter. We learned it the hard way. So I'm not gonna forget it, right? Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's do it. Where is my filter? I should remove it from here. I should remove it from here. What happened to you? What happened? Okay, right. I know what happened. So here homepage can be accessed by all. Homepage can be accessed by all. For adding, we need to I need to refer the code. Permit the home page, permit all any request, permit all on the home page, and their request are authenticated. So it will ask for authentication for any other request. And now here, pre-authorize as role correct. Am I doing it correct? Am I doing it correct? As role admin. Okay. Okay. Right. Has a admin, has a user, no role. Okay, anyone can access this too. Right. Then you can access this. Now, if I hit this, I will be welcome. If I hit admin, I will need to authorize and pre-authorize. I have to be the admin, then I will be able to access the admin page. Attachment token will be generated. Let's test it. Please don't burst. Oh, we didn't. Okay. Let me share you. Let me share. Okay. I can't. Let me do it again. Okay. Okay, so you can say it now. We can access the welcome and we can access the welcome. Now when I go to admin, it will ask me for application. If I add the correct one, it will let me access the admin page. If I go to admin slash profile, maybe I can go to admin profile. Now, if I want to access my home, I can't. If I log out, slash protect name user profile. Next is it. This is the admin and it's all admin, right? Everything's fine. Everything's working just fine. Okay, everything's fine. So now what I need to do, let me stop it. So today generated one. Today generated one is one. We did also added debug man. I'm sorry. I needed to debug it to test whether it really generated it. It generated it for sure. If it's validating using it. So each time it's going through the filter. Okay, it's working. So guys, our application part is done. So what now we need to do is we need to make the main business logic of our what we are doing. Okay, the to-do list. So the application part is done. This is the most critical part. Many beginners fail it, including me. But now that I have learned it the hard way, I am gonna remember it. I am gonna remember it very long time and very sharply. I am gonna complete it flow. And I have this code. So what I do is create a git. Okay. Okay. Editing everything. Everything's edited. So what I will do is, because this is the main code I'm gonna need every time. So I will not share my GitHub plugin. So what I'm gonna do is make a copy of it. I will make a copy of this code and store it on my GitHub repository because I'm gonna need it frequently. I'm gonna need it frequently whenever I'm getting a repository. JOD plus data GDA plus REST API PI authentication base code. This is the base code. I'm gonna make it private. I know you can't see my screen. have a validated repository, so I am storing it in my GitHub. Git commit sm the base code for authentication. For authentication, I can use it everywhere. Okay, I've completed it. Now, CPI, I'm gonna copy this. Okay, it's done. Code is here. But whenever I'm building a new project, I will have to write all this code again and again. And I can just run my repository. Okay, so this repository was private. Now I'm going to make another repository, public one. Of to village. So I can't show you what I'm doing on the GitHub. I'm so sorry. You are only seeing the IntelliJ. I'm so sorry. See, I'm new to this YouTube stuff, the streaming stuff. So I don't know what I can show, what I cannot. So I'm gonna not. So any project using JWT authentication. Let me make bullet points. Oh no. Oh no. Leave it. I hit enter and okay, let it be. I will do it offline. Let it be. I'll do it offline. So it's time to end the stream. So today we finally completed our basic authentication. See, my screen presence is not that good. I'm looking at I need to look here, not here. So I finally completed the authentication part using JWT and loading user from the database. So that's pretty much we need to do, right, for a industry ready project. I mean, I don't know, as far as I can imagine, this is all I need to do. So tomorrow we are gonna start the main business logic for our project. We are gonna make a database schema for storing the list of the tasks, loading it, displaying it for admin and as well as for the user. That's pretty much what we are going to do in the next stream. The main part is done, the authentication part. That's the See, Spring Security is the part where most beginners fail, most beginners fears, including me. So these 3 days, I know we didn't make much progress. And I count it as progress, but as in project, we didn't make much progress. We just created a basic authentication structure, role-based authentication, but that's I count it as progress, right? We did everything. Yes, we referred ChatGPT. We needed to now, but see, the advantage is now I have the code, the basic code. Now, whenever I am building another project, I don't need to search everywhere and write the code from scratch. I have already a stored code. I have the code right with me on my GitHub. That's gonna help me a lot. So whatever projects we're gonna build in future, we are directly gonna get our code from my GitHub. I'm gonna get the code from my GitHub and start away and focus on the business logic. Okay, with that being, let's end the stream. Today's stream was really good, really good. The past two streams, actually three, you can't see the first one as I didn't make any progress there. I didn't write a single line of code there. I was not understanding anything after this huge 2 month break, house shifting and then exams. I didn't focus on the development part. Okay, so I was not able to write a single line of code, not understand a single line of code. So you, so counting that in three streams, now we have ended our security part. We made progress. I really count it as progress very much. Okay, I will take a leave. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That was really great progress.